I was sent this curling iron, and not only is the packaging and the curling iron itself just absolutely gorgeous. I love lavender, but it has some really unique features that I haven't seen on a curling iron before. For instance, this right here, you can tighten or loosen the clamp. So I'm going to play around with that. Make sure you stay to the end. I'm also going to curl my hair so we can see this in action. It takes only 90 seconds to heat up, and it does heat up to a very high temperature of 400 degrees. And after 60 minutes, if you're not using it, it will do an automatic shut off. You also get a little glove, and you get 2 clips. So these are some really loose curls because I do have that tension on loose, and I'm also putting in a lot of hair. I'm not putting in a small amount of hair. So some quick kind of beachy waves over there. Let's go ahead and tighten this. So I'm going to the tightest right now. And now let's do it over here and see what it looks like. So there it is. So when you go tighter, you can get those tighter curls. Super easy to use, really fast too. See the difference when you loosen or when you tighten? It's pretty remarkable. There we go. I love how versatile this curling iron is. So you can have these tighter curls or the looser just by going from tight to loose. I love that you have those options. So 2 types of hair. I have some major layers in mine, so it's definitely flipping out very, very easily. You can also hold the end here and it's not too hot. I didn't switch my glove hand yet. There we go. So I love that you can just kind of play around with it and have totally different curls depending on what you're going for. And then when you're done, on-off button right here, turn that off and let it cool down before you put it away. So I'm going to get my hair a little more even. I'm just going to loosen up these ones. You can always go for that tighter and then use your fingers to kind of loosen it up. So pretty and shiny. I love this curling iron.